Hey guys, it's Joy, your travel expert here at Disney's Boardwalk Inn in a newly renovated room. We are staying club level, but this is what all the new renovated rooms look like. Come on in. Right here you have the closets and a safe. Storage, extra pillows and such. Then you have your coffee maker, coffee supplies, beverage fridge underneath. And you have the 2 queen beds and storage as well. Then you have the day bed that turns into a twin, a chair. All the rooms have a balcony with 2 chairs. We're in the middle of Epcot's fireworks. One of my favorite things though are these curtains. Oh, so nice. You'll find these details really all over the resort with the renovation. And then this room is equipped with the Disney Alexa, so you can chat with her. And then here's the bathroom. Double vanity. And then a room for your shower and toilet.